mon petit fromage. Welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Let's get into it. I am so happy that I can be in front of y'all today because for the past 3 days I was decommissioned. Okay, my back said I live with chronic pain, and I have some really great days. I have some amazing months, and then sometimes it comes back and it is horrible. So I was pretty much stuck in one place on the couch with all my stuff around me, which kind of worked out good. It was Mother's Day, so it was like, yeah, y'all handle everything else because I really could not. So the fact that I am up and I'm walking around, I still have a limp, but my limp is cute. I'm really trying to keep this on, but I do not know how to tie scarves that are this big, especially long ones. They just wind up sliding right off my head. So I did a cheap thing and I got a bunch of scarf pins. That way I don't have to worry about tying them because I cannot tie worth a darn. Yes, I was really blessed, and I love my family. Shout out to Sammy, shout out to my husband, and these 3 beautiful babies. I love them so much. I wasn't on social media at all. I was just stuck on the couch in pain, but grateful. Thankful that I had people to be stuck on the couch with, right? Okay, amen. I wasn't suffering alone, honey, and somebody else washed the dishes. The thing is still sliding. I did the ball cap method under here, so that's why everything is still sliding, because it's smooth under there. But anyway, I have a beautiful unit. So inside I found this nice satin dust bag that you can put your wig in after you take off your install, so you have a nice place to store it. And then the goodie bag. Wig caps, edge brush, comb, some grippy clippers, a beautiful satin scarf to tie your edges up at night, some lashes, and here is the gorgeous wig. And this color though, yes ma'am, HD lace, and the pre-plucked and pre-bleachness of it all. I mean, dang. I really love the fact that wig companies are paying so close attention to the hairline. Y'all remember how the wigs used to come back in the day? Black knots with the Eddie Munster hairlines. The lace is crazy. Like, wow. And she has all of this parting space. That is a ton. 2 temple combs, the stretchy bands, a very, very soft nape with adjustable straps, and a nape comb thing. So anyway, here's my bald cap method. I've done this earlier. I used Got to Be Glued on the perimeter, just in front of my hairline. And then I used the Got to Be Glue spray behind my hairline. And then I used this even tinted lace powder to color all this in. I didn't use my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and engage my nape comb. Not too tight, because don't nobody got time for no headaches. And then I'm gonna show you what this looks like fresh out of the bag on my head. Also, when I do my wig cap, I never secure the back. The only thing I care about is the front area, this area right here. That's it. The back, I don't care what the back looks like. And plus, I like to be able to engage my nape combs back there because it makes me feel secure. So using that wig band really makes her feel really snug on my head. My Lord. Oh, snap and turn. Description of this wig, and it is fitted, is in the description. It is fitted. It is on there. It's on there, and I haven't added not a stitch of glue. It's been a while since I had some silky hair, but yeah, she's long girl, 20 inches, child. So she came with a middle part and no baby hair, and I am going to change that. Yes? What's up, Bella? I got a light right there.
Oh, sorry. Please, I can have some.
Thank you, honey. I think you wrote this backwards. Can I have ice cream, Mom? Yes, honey. Thank you for writing me notes. So I'm going to be using the clips that came with this unit to clip all this extra hair out of the way. Another thing that I've been doing lately that seems to make it easier to control if you're trying to glue down your unit is to cut your lace in sections before you pull down over the glue. Also, when you're using any kind of adhesive, you want to make sure, however many layers you use, that they are tacky before you pull that lace down to try to adhere your wig. Otherwise, you're gonna be slipping and sliding, girl. I like to remove the makeup or any residue left over from the hairspray with a little bit of alcohol that I keep in this cute little container. I don't know why I have it, but it comes in handy. I like miniature things. I'm gonna do all those things, and then I'm gonna use some got2b glue to adhere this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and put my melting band on now. Let me get all this hair out of the way. Somebody asked me where I got this from. I just got it at my beauty supply shop. Just a regular old blinged out melting band. So I wanna make sure that this is good and attached, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on for about 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. And that came out really good. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning up. So I'm going to get close, and if I need to hide any knots with my powder, I will, and I can clean up some of these spots that I have left some residue from the foam wrapping lotion. So I'm gonna add some curls because that's what I do. But I wanted to show you how long this wig is, and to do that, I'm gonna have to do some movie magic. So I'm gonna change the direction of the camera so I can get the whole thing in frame, okay? Okay, so you can see me now. So you can see how long this hair is. It is past my waist, honey.
So beautiful. She was in love with the night. The way the sun shines. All she needed was light to have to hold. And nobody could make her feel down. She was always smiling from ear to ear. And everybody wondered around, would she ever know the feeling of tears? All she said to them was live your life just like you're young again. No, don't you cry, just get back up again. Cause if you wanna laugh, then live it better. If you want love, then stay together.
Okay, I've added my curls and just something to give a little more pizzazz to the straight hair, a little pizzazz. So now that I have a little lift, thanks to the coils, I'm just putting a little bit of wax to try to lay this area down because I have some flyaways that don't want to act right. And I love how my baby hairs came out, okay? Maybe there's hope for me yet. Good job, Michelle. I'm gonna let you know all the details about this hair because it's going in the description box below. Ooh. I don't know what that was before. Yeah. Y'all, I did my nails. I'm a big fan of Cat Eye Magnetic Gel Polish. I have too many now. That's how I spiced up this beautiful reddish brown unit, and I kind of like it both ways. I really do. Although the thing with silky hair textures, I forget, is that they get when the wind blows. I have my little fan on. I had to turn that thing off, honey. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.